Hello guys and welcome to Money Royale YouTube channel. Before we start, go to subscribe to my channel to get more video on how much your favorite YouTube earn, and click on the bell icon to get all notification and never missing any new video. Now let's get started. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make by placing ad on their video, and placing more ads equal more money they can make on their videos. The second thing is CPM. It means the cost per 1,000 view. It is the amount of advertising pay to have his ad in your video, and they spend on average $4 per 1,000 views, and it's calculated based on how many people watch on video and from where they are watching. Many factors affect the CPM. It is includes demographic, content, gender, time of the watch. YouTube also will take 45% of your ad revenue from the advertising. And now let's go to Jeffree Star Analyst. Total subscribes 16 million, total videos 404, total views 2 billion. So let's go to monthly subscribe 100k, monthly views 6 million, monthly income 6 million multiply 0.004 equal 24k, early income 24k multiply 12 equal 288k. Guys, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like or comment, and let me know what the next YouTuber you want me to do next.